Going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are about to approach to NUGT territory, but we're still resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line at a price of $1,798. As with the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge, and as we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD. We did see it converge there, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $162.18, my sell target is at $171.83, and my stop loss is at $159.22. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $175.34, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $165.25, and my stop loss is at $178.54. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that would be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold futures has a 47% chance to climb between 0 to 4%. To the downside, it has a 47% chance to fall between 0 to negative 4%, and a 7% chance to fall between negative 4 to negative 8%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.